In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to cancel Spectrum cable but keep internet. You can do it by two methods. The first one is online. Go to the Spectrum website using a web browser on your computer or mobile. Look for the chat feature on the website. Type Cancel Service into the chat window and follow the prompts. If an agent isn't available, the chat may direct you to call Spectrum's customer service number. 2. On the phone. Call Spectrum at 833-267-6094 to speak with a customer service representative. Inform the agent that you want to cancel your Spectrum service and follow any instructions or questions from the agent regarding your cancellation request. Spectrum may require you to return rented equipment such as cable boxes or modems after canceling your service. Just keep an eye on your final bill to ensure you're not overcharged and that the service hasn't been successfully cancelled. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.